Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start building our project, but before that let me show you what is the project we are going to build. The project is a customer car service. So in this project, if the customer has any problem in his car, he can define his location using the GPS and send his location and the problem or the service he need to the customer or to the company service. Then the employee of the company service will get a notification with an SMS with order number. When we click on this order number, he will get the location of the user so he can go to the user and give them the required service. So now if the user already has an account, he can pass his username and password. Otherwise, he will click on user to pass his information. Now, let's suppose, for example, we need to use this user, which we have already created with this password, and click on login. So now the user will get types of services he can get from this company. Let's suppose the service is, for example, a car maintenance, general car maintenance. So when we click, now because we use emulator, we should send the longitude and latitude. Of course, you don't need this step in a physical mobile. So let's start, for example, to send this longitude and latitude. And now we have defined the user location. Now the user or the customer will click on order. And as you can see here, your order has been sent. And you will get also, if you go here to the SMS, you will see there is a new message has been sent to this number. So your task ID is 10 and the message has been sent to this employee number. Now let's see the employee number application. So here we have another application, which is the employee number. And also we can pass now the user who has got this message with the password. I don't know, in fact, what is the password, but yes, it is from 1 to 9. So this is the password from 1 to 9 and click on login. Now, as you can see here, he will get the order number 9, the date and time, the service required, and so on. So now when we click on the service, he will get the employee location so he can go to this employee and give them the required service. And when he finish the required service, he will go to the status and click on finish to modify the service of this user. This is simply what is the project we are going to build. So let's start building this project and see you in the next video.